Good morning, little learners. Namaskar, parents. How are you, all of you kids? Hope all of you fine, fit and healthy in your home. I am Samir Jalani and welcome you all in our English explanation classes. I am from New Era School, everyone. Before we start our session, we do prayer, everyone. Join your hands, close your eyes. All things bright and beautiful, all creatures great and small, all things wise and wonderful, the Lord God made them all. All things bright and beautiful, all creatures great and small, all things wise and wonderful, the Lord God made them all. Each little flowers that open, each little birds that sing, God made their glowing colors and made their tiny wings. All things bright and beautiful, all creatures great and small, all things wise and wonderful, the Lord God made them all. Everyone rub your palms, touch your eyes, and slowly open your eyes. How do you feeling, kids? Feeling fresh? Yes? Okay, children, now tell me. Now we start our session, okay? Before that, tell me which cluster we completed in our previous class? Yes? Yes, we completed IP sound words, okay? IP sound words. First of all, we revise our IP sound words. Now, I show you some flashcard of IP sound words. Everyone repeat with me, okay? Zip, 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 zip. Okay, and the second word is dip. Da ip dip, da ip dip, da ip dip. Okay, l ip lip, l ip lip, l ip lip. And sa ip sip, sa ip sip, sa ip sip. Okay, these all words we completed in our previous class. Okay, now we start our new cluster. Okay, before that I show you some sight words. Okay, here. So children, the first one is that. Okay, bye. Was. Me. She. No. Two. My. If. What. Has. You. Up. Where. Why? Are. This. Okay, these all are sight words. Sight words are those words when we make some sentence, when we read some sentence, on the time they helpful for us. Okay, now we start our new cluster. Okay, children, first of all tell me, what is this, children? This is I sounds E. Okay, and what is this? T. T sounds T. When we add these two letters together, we found it sound word. Okay, which sound word? It. I-T, it. Okay, it sound words. Today we start our new cluster, that is it sound words. Okay, here the rhyme of it sound words then. Okay, everyone speak along with me. Fit, fit, fit. Fit, 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 I am fit. Kit, 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 I have a kit. Hit, 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 I hit the kit. Pit, 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 the kit in the pit. Sit, 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 I sit for a bit. Okay, once again we revise this, repeat this. Okay, fit, 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 I am fit. Kit, 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 I have a kit. Hit, 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 I hit the kit. Pit, 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 the kit in the pit. Sit, 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 I sit for bed. Okay, all of you understood, children? Okay. Now children, tell me, what's the name of this letter? I. I sounds E. I sounds E. And tell me, what's the name of this letter? T. T sounds T. T sounds T. When we add these letters together, we found it sound word. Which sound word? It. 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 It sound words. Okay. Now I show you some it sound word flashcard. Okay. The first one is hit. Hit. H-it. H-it. Hit. H-it hit. H-it hit. H-it hit. The boy is hit the ball with bat. है ना? hit का मीनिंग क्या है? मारना. yes or no? देखो ये जो बॉय है कैसे मार रहा है, अपने बैट से बॉल को शॉट मार रहा है ना? दैट इज कॉल्ड हिट. h-it hit. h-it hit. Okay, and the second one is sit. 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 s-it sit. s-it sit. s-it sit. s-it sit. s-it sit. sit का मीनिंग क्या है बच्चों? बैठना. ओके, बैठना. कम एंड सिट हियर बिसाइड मी. ओके, प्लीज सिट डाउन फॉर अ वाइल. जब आप स्कूल में आते हो ना, तब हम बोलते हैं ना टीचर्स आपको सिट डाउन, स्टैंड अप, है ना? दैट इज कॉल्ड सिट. देखो ये जो बॉय है कैसे बैठा है? चेयर पे बैठा है ना? हाँ, दैट इज कॉल्ड सिट. s-it सिट. s-it सिट. s-it सिट. s-it सिट. s-it sit. Okay, and the next one is pit. Pit. p-it pit. p-it p-it pit. p-it pit. p-it pit. p-it pit. pit का मीनिंग क्या है? गड्ढा. ओके, गड्ढा. dig a pit and bury the garbage. देखो जो ये पिट है, ये जो बड़ा गड्ढा है ना, इसको क्या बोलेंगे? पिट बोलेंगे. ओके, जैसे कि कोई पिट होते हैं, है ना, उसमें कोई भी वेस्ट हो, गार्बेज हो, उसमें डालकर पूरा बंद कर देते हैं ना गड्ढे में. यस, दैट इज कॉल्ड गड्ढा. गड्ढा मीन्स पिट. पिट. p-it pit. Okay, and the next one is kit. Kit. k-it kit. k-it kit. k-it kit. k-it kit. k-it kit. Here various type of kits here. Okay, kit. Here one kit is there and here also one kit is there. देखो ये जो इसको क्या बोलेंगे? टूल किट बोलेंगे, है ना? इन दिस किट व्हाट यू सी हियर? द हैमर. ओके, इसको क्या बोलेंगे? पाना, है ना? हेक्सा ब्लेड, स्क्रू ड्राइवर, इसमें सारा होता है ना? हाँ, दैट इज कॉल्ड टूल किट. आपके भी घर में होगा ना चिल्ड्रन? यस, दैट इज कॉल्ड टूल किट. ओके, हियर ऑल्सो वन किट इज देयर. यस और नो? जब आप डॉक्टर के पास जाते हो, डॉक्टर के पास ये होता है ना, वो किट में क्या क्या होता है पता है आपको? यस, सीजर होता है, डेटॉल होता है ना? बैंडेज होता है, एंटीसेप्टिक क्रीम होता है ना? Yes, that is box called kit. Okay, ka eater, kit, ka eater, kit, ka it kit, ka it kit, ka it kit. And our next one is bit, ba eater, bit, ba eater, bit, ba eater, bit, ba it bit, ba it bit, ba it bit. This is bit. bit का मीनिंग है थोड़ा सा, यानी थोड़ा थोड़ा सा, और पीस भी बोल सकते हैं. ओके ओके, बिट भी क्या है, बाइट का सेकेंड फॉर्म है. ओके, द डॉग बाइट द मैन, द डॉग बाइट द मैन. ओके, दिस इज बिट. ब ईटर, बिट, ब ईटर, बिट, ब इट बिट, ब इट बिट, ब इट बिट. Okay children, all of you understood? Once again we revise the it sound word. Okay, the first one is kit, ka it kit, ka it kit, ka it kit. Okay, and the next one is pit, pa eater, pit, pa eater, pit, pa it pit, pa it pit, pa it pit. And the next one is sa eater, sit, sa it sit, sa it sit, sa it sit. Ha eater, hit, ha it hit, ha it hit, ha it hit. Ba eater, beat, ba eater, beat, ba it beat, ba it beat, ba it beat. Okay children, all of you understood the it sound words? Okay children, here I show you one activity. Okay, it sound words activity. Okay, the word making activity. All of you ready children? This is, yes, this is it, eater, it. Okay, eater, it. Here it is there, it word is there, yes or no? Yes. Okay, here I write one word. Can you tell me what's the name of this letter? Yes, this is H. H sounds ha, H sounds ha. Okay, when we add this letter and it, which word we found here? Hit. Yes or no? Yes. Ha, it hit. So we write here the hit word. Here we write ha eater, hit, like this. Okay, we got one word, that is hit. Here again I write the word. Okay, all of you tell me the word name. This is P. P sounds pa. P sounds pa. Yes or no? Yes. And when we add these three letters, which sound word we got here? Pa, it, pit. Yes. Here we write pit. Pa, eater, pit. Okay. Here I write pit. Pa, it, pit. Pa, it, pit. Okay, again here I write yes. Okay, S. Here I write S. What's the phonic sound of S? S. Okay, S. Okay, when we add these three letters S, it, S, it, yes, we found sit. Okay, here I write sit. Okay, all of you understood? Sit? Yes. Yes or no? And here again I write the letter. What's the name of this letter? K. Ka. Okay, and we add this letter, three letter we found. Which letter? Ka, it, kit. Ka, it, kit. Here I write ka, eater, kit. Okay, all of you understood? Yes? And again here the last word. Okay, here I write B. B sounds B. Okay, when we add B, it. Which sound word we got here? Beat. Okay, yes, here I write beat. Yes or no? Yes. B, it, bit. Okay, B, it, bit. We found this letter here. Yes or no? Yes. Once again we repeat here. The first one is hit. Ha, it hit. Ha, it hit. Ha, it hit. The second one is pit. Pa, it pit. Pa, it pit. Pa, it pit. And the third one is sit. Sa, it sit. Sa, it sit. Ka, it kit. Ka, it kit. Ka, it kit. Ba, it bit. Ba, it bit. Ba, it bit. Okay, all of you understood, children, the words making activity? Okay, hope all of you understood this activity. Okay children, bye everyone, take care.